I have 7 days until I have to have my entire apartment packed up and ready to move. So welcome to episode 1 of my moving series. I'm going to post this in parts because I want to post it as I'm doing it with you guys. I am like clinically insane. I'm insane. So I made a Google spread of a to-do list. So today I overpacked myself because it's Saturday. Anyways, the main goal for today is to clean out my car and clean out my closet, and then whatever I don't want, I'm going to take to Play-Dohs, and the stuff that I am keeping, I'm going to put in trash bags on the hanger so that they're already basically packing my closet, but without putting them in boxes. The state of my room right now is actually insane. I even have to take off this wallpaper, which is not going to be in today's video. I'm going to have to do that later in the week. I'm taking this out to my car, so anything that I know I want to keep and maybe bring up for the time being. I have gone through my bathroom stuff already and gotten rid of products that I just don't use and gave to my coworkers and friends and stuff. But there's definitely more to go through. I hate moving. I also need to go through, this is the kitchen. We have a lot to do, but I'm trying to take it one thing at a time per day. And today's goal is cleaning my room and my closet. This is what we're dealing with. We've got some stuff back here too, and the front seat's not that bad, but I hate that my seats stain so bad. Any tips on getting that out, please let a girl know. Anyways, I'm gonna prop you guys up. My tripod, I think, is in here. We're gonna clean out the trunk first. But it is super rainy and wet, so to be careful with putting stuff in here. But I brought wipes and a trash bag. The car also has a really weird smell to it, and I'm hoping I can figure out what's making it stink. Comforter for the new place. We've also got new sheets. Look at how cute the pillow is. I'm so excited. So I really wanted to have my car cleaned out, mainly because my boyfriend's lease ends a little awkwardly compared to our new place. So we're going to use our cars to kind of store things that we can. And even though we're getting a U-Haul, we just want to have as much space as possible. So that's why I'm doing that first. That was a lot easier than I thought, but me and my boyfriend went to the beach a year ago, and there's still sand in the back of my car. So we're gonna go get the mini vacuum. You've got to be joking. Well, I tried. It's literally dead. Okay. Well, I definitely tried. Didn't succeed, but I did try. Now we have to deal with this. But like I was saying, I'm trying to have just a flat bed to have stuff to store, so I wanted my back seat cleaned out so I could put my seats down. The back seat is clean. So I'm gonna lay my seats down because the goal is that I'll have a whole flatbed to use. I really need to clean my seats more than anything, but it's fine. Guys, I literally keep a fidget spinner in my car at all times, and whenever I was cleaning and I found it, I wanted to hold it up to see how long it would take for it to show up in the time lapse. All right, y'all, this is as clean as it's gonna get. My seats are so bad that the car never looks clean, so I definitely need to figure that out, and I need to vacuum really bad, but my vacuum died. But I just have to put this rug back in, and then these few things go back in the car. That's what I take upstairs, and then the trash, but I am really quick gonna wipe everything down with some Clorox wipes. And then the car's done. Down. I did not find anything in my car that remotely smelled bad. As long as it doesn't start to rain, I am going to vacuum out what I can in my car when we go to Play-Doh's closet and Goodwill and stuff. This is already one bag that I have to take to Goodwill / Play-Doh's. So, oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with closet-wise. We've also got stuff down there, stuff over here. I think I'm gonna clean out all the clothing, put them on my bed, and as I pull it out, I'm gonna decide what I wanna keep and what I don't. And I'm gonna start a pile of the stuff I'm gonna donate. And then, and as I put it back in the closet, I'm going to put them in trash bags. Guys, I have literally moved every single year of me being in my college town, and I'm staying here post-grad because I found a good job and everything. But every year I'm like, oh, it won't be that bad to move. And then I start to move and I remember how much shit I really own. But I have figured out a system to wait until about a week before, so then you can really start packing. I have no idea if this is in focus, but now that my room's a mess, here's a little update as to what's going on. All my clothes on my bed that are on hangers. So now if we come over to the closet, all of the clothing that was on hangers are gone. So now the goal is to go through this pile and all the what's in the bottom and wipe that clean. And then after that, I think everything up there is pretty much fine. I think I need to go through that backpack. These are all my bathing suits. That's a memory box. That's all fine. So basically the goal is all of this, go through all of this, and go through the dresser, and then we'll be able to have everything we need for Goodwill. I'm kind of a little bit overwhelmed, but it's okay. We're gonna power through. As crazy as it might seem, I think me starting with my clothes was a good move because I say later in the video, it is what I have the most of. So now everything else, it's gonna like be more of a breeze because I'm dealing with the thing that I have way too much of, even though I got rid of like 3 bags worth of clothing. So here's the pile of the stuff I'm keeping. But I think I need to open up the boxes to pack some of the stuff that's in the bottom of my closet, just so that it's more organized, but I can't get this open. And then, oh, these are a lot smaller than I thought they were. When I tell you I struggled to put this box together for so long, I'm not even joking. Do we put that down? What happens to that? Oh, okay, so you gotta go like that, and then you go like that, and then you flip, and then this comes up, and this, and then that goes down. Look at me go. See, this one I'm good at because I used to make pizza boxes for like a year of my life. My biggest moving hack is getting a bunch of these bags. They used to be 99 cents. I think they're $1.99 now, and using them to pack because it's so much easier to carry this than a box. So we're gonna use this for my shoes. Seeing my orange cat just pop out and then pop into the box is so funny. But anyways, this part is when I start to get really frustrated with myself because I have so much art supplies that I don't ever organize, and it's just thrown into the bag that you see me like digging through. Okay, here's the update. I forgot that I am a hoarder because I have all this entire thing, white thing right here, filled with art supplies. I just went through a bag of just a bunch of scrap paper. Who in their right mind needs this much like fucking art stuff? I don't know. I have this binder that I found that was pretty much empty, and I'm putting all my scrap paper in here so that I can close it, and it's pretty much like all good. This is what I'm dealing with. I now have to go through that, and then I still have that corner. We'll see if we get... I haven't even gone through my dresser yet. But I'm going to take a break from filming because I'm scared this video is going to be 500 hours long. Okay, here's the update. I think I'm going to wait to do all of that because I don't feel like doing it right now. But I have all of this pretty good to go. We have my cat being weird. I'm going to put these pillows along with all of these blankets in a trash bag, but I'm keeping it. I don't know, I'm getting really overwhelmed and I need to go get trash bags so I don't have to look at all of this. So I can put these in the trash bag and put them back in the closet until Saturday or Friday, one of the days. We've gotten trash bags, so I feel like everything might go a little bit more like a breeze because I'm able to clear off my bed. So one of the life hacks I figured out with moving so many times is putting my clothes in trash bags on the hanger, so then whenever I get to the new place, I just have to hang them up in the closet and rip the trash bag off, and it's already good to go. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have started to get very, very, very overwhelmed. I think it's because I'm starting with the thing I have most of. clothing. I'm just starting to get really overwhelmed, so I'm gonna stop filming for like a half an hour, and I'm just gonna see where I get without thinking about like also filming at the same time. It's a lot better than you all last saw it. Decently good progress. Now we're gonna go drop off the clothes to Plato's, and then whatever our Plato's doesn't take, we're just gonna take to Goodwill. But while we do that, we're also going to go look for him plants. We just dropped off all the clothes at Plato's, and I actually got $66. I think that might be the most I've ever got. Now we're taking the leftover to Goodwill because I need it gone. All right, so the final update to wrap up day one of packing is we did put majority of my clothes in the trash bag, and I donated a bunch. My closet is pretty much ready to go, and the next goal is to get my desk and makeup stuff out and maybe pack up most of my bathroom. I might pack like a bag on Monday of like stuff to do me for the like rest of the week, so then I can throw everything else in the bags. But are you excited? Like 7 days till the move, and then he'll keep